Want to convert a character array into a string in Java? In this guide, I'll show you two common ways to do it, so you can handle character data more effectively. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. So, as you can see on the screen, we have a character array called Char array that holds the letters for Hello World. We can't use this Char array directly as a string. Instead, we usually access one character at a time using an index like this. To actually use this Char array as a string, we can convert it using the value_of method. We'll use the static String.valueOf method from the string class and pass in our character array. We then create a new string variable and assign it the result of String.valueOf Char array. This explicitly creates a new string instance, which you can use for other operations. Next, we update our print statement to use this new variable. And when we run the code, we get the full Hello World output. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning Java. See you in the next one.